Every delivery you take on is a compliance event. The moment you accept product into Metric, it's the state's record. So the smart move is to match the order to the state's manifest first, while the driver's still at your dock. Here's how shelf space makes that automatic. Before a delivery ever reaches your dock, the state already knows it's coming. Every inbound Metric transfer a vendor starts shows up right here, in transit, before it arrives. This one's from Verdant Hill, 3 packages in transit arriving in a couple of days. That's the state's official record of what's on the truck. And up in your incoming orders, the matching invoice is already logged. But see that? It's not yet tied to a Metric manifest. Your paperwork and the states don't know about each other yet. So when your team goes to receive it, shelf space stops them. Matching the manifest first is what lets you check freshness and quantities before you accept anything, because the second you accept it in Metric, it's yours on the state's books. But you don't have to go hunting for it. One click, find a Metric match, and shelf space reads the transfers the state has waiting for you and looks for the one that belongs to this order. And it's done. It recognized the invoice number, found the exact transfer, and bound your order to the state's manifest, automatically. No searching, no copying numbers by hand. Now your order's locked to a real Metric transfer. When your team receives it, every package gets checked against exactly what the state says shipped, so you catch a short count or aged product while the driver's still there, not after you've already paid. That's manifest first receiving.